Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, June 17th. It is our One World Showcase and Raffle Day. Let's see what you have to do. So, I have done the same thing I did last week. So, I will do the async for today and tomorrow in day 4. So, if you're evening, it's in here in your async. If you are morning, I will also explain the Friday assignment, and also for next class the same. You guys usually have something to do on Friday. So you're going to do a reflection on your one world experience. So now that you completed, those of you who completed your essay and Flipgrid, give us your thoughts about the process. Even if you did not complete the essay or the Flipgrid, just tell us what was challenging. Why didn't you complete it? And if you did complete it, you can answer these questions. If you didn't complete everything, but you started the process, you can still answer the questions. But if you really didn't do it, please tell us why. What were some challenges? Okay. And your next assignment is your last Spark 3000 article in level 6. Yay! So this is our last full module of the year. We are done. So you're going to read about Wilson Cruz, and then you'll answer this question. What cause would you like to be an activist for? What is the problem, and what is a solution you would recommend? Okay. And then that's it. That's it. We're done for async. And now for sync, it's our One World showcase. So we're going to do a raffle of all the people who completed an essay and or a flip grid, and to see who will win $100. And if you have any questions, you know how to find me. That's it for today. Good luck.